Hello everyone, so my friend got this phone and we are going to unbox it. Let's get right into the unboxing. So we bought this phone from Flipkart on the 22nd at 12 p.m. and it was a very lucky day for us that we got it. These are the specifications. You can pause to watch it. Without any further ado, we are going to unbox this phone. So we broke the seal and now let's take off the plastic. So the phone was available in these 4 colors, but we opted for the black one as it suits most of the people. So the first thing we get in the package is a phone cover, which is really good because the device might be slippery because it is made up of some metal. It looks like iPhone from the back, and from the front it looks like the Pixel, as it has got 18:9 aspect ratio display. Let's remove the plastic from the display and the back of the phone. Now in the box we get this guides to use the phone. We have this cable for charging. It is normal cable USB 2.0, which is absolutely short in size, nearly 1.5 or 2 feet. This is the power brick that we have got. And it also comes with a SIM card removal pin. The display is absolutely amazing. Let's get into the setup. So I will skip the setup for you. We didn't logged in with our Google account or anything like that, and also didn't connect to the internet for now. So this is how the device looks. Let's get into the settings and look at this. It comes with Android 7.1, which is nougat. It has 4 GB of RAM. It also comes in 6 GB, but we opted for 4, and 64 GB of internal storage, of which 53 is available. Let's see the camera quality. In the portrait mode, it is absolutely fast in taking the shots compared with the A1. You can see on the screen how the photo looks from the rear camera, and this is from the front camera, also in portrait mode. The bottom of the phone has the charging slot, the headphone jack and the speaker, which are not loud, and the microphone. On the right side of the phone, it has the power button and the volume rocker. On the top of the phone, it has got IR for the remote and secondary microphone. On the left side of the phone it has got the SIM card tray. This is the back of the phone, which is having the cameras which are 12 and 5 megapixel and the fingerprint reader. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this unboxing video. For more videos on Mi Note 5 Pro, subscribe to my channel and like the video if you enjoyed watching it. Bye.